You have just repaired a leak from the intake system on a BMW diesel, but these errors are still in the control unit. Wait, you cannot simply clear the error, and now I will explain why. Hi everyone, and welcome to this new episode of Expert Tips. The BMW engine management system constantly monitors the pressure and airflow in the intake ducts. So, if a leak is detected, the control unit switches to recovery mode to protect the engine. But there's a problem. Even after the repair, the errors related to the air intake system still remain active and the engine warning light stays on. But why? Because there's a specific operation for resetting the engine control unit's memory. The solution? With the IDC6 2025-1 update. TEXA introduced an essential function. Access engine diagnosis and go to the error section to see the active faults. Thanks to the TEXA help sections, follow the detailed instructions to solve the issue. Go to the settings section and select air intake system fault reset. Perform the reset. At this point, the error memory is actually cleared. The engine warning light turns off and the problem is solved. An error clearing is not enough. Without the specific reset, the control unit will continue to show the problem and the engine will stay in recovery mode. So, let's recap. Repair the leak in the intake system. Access the engine control unit with the latest IDC6 version. Go into Settings and select Air Intake System Fault Reset. Reset, check, and test drive the vehicle. Remember, keeping your TEXA tools updated means working better and solving problems in a faster and more professional way. See you for the next Expert Tips.